Hey there, everyone. Today we're going to take a little tour around the GATX facility out in Colton, California. It's a railroad tank car maintenance facility, obviously operated by the GATX Corporation. Like I said, this facility is located on Pepper Avenue. It's at the east end of Union Pacific's West Colton Yard, which is located in Southern California. The site approximately 43 acres according to the website, and the facility is mainly for use for GATX customers on the West Coast for their tanker cars. And as you can see as I pan around here, you'll see tanker car after tanker car here at this site. For those of you that aren't aware, GATX is an equipment finance company based out of Chicago, Illinois. They were founded way back in 1898, and their primary activities consist of rail car operating leasing in North America and Europe. For those that are taking a look there, on your right-hand side, they got the little switcher there, but as you can see, no joke when they say that they're a tank car repair facility. Up in the upper left corner of their facility, you'll see what appear to be some, looks like hoppers there, but like I said, they're mainly the tank car fixers. They have over 800 employees dispersed throughout the 11 locations in North America, and they routinely, believe it or not, perform maintenance activities more than 13,000 cars per year between their fixed network, mobile repair units, and their customer sites, of course, because sometimes you got to visit the customers to fix everything. There's a little box car there on your left-hand side, but like I said, as you can see, it's mainly tanker cars out here, and one box car straight ahead as well. Now, another little tidbit that I found out, if you go on the Environmental Protection Agency's website, believe it or not, you can see a list of the history of the inspections that have been conducted at the site. Also on that, on the EPA's website, you'll also be able to see if there were any violations. Not that, it really matters for us railroaders, but sometimes it's interesting to see if a place, that you're around, if it's safe or if they've had problems, etc. Thank you so much for taking a fly around. You can see one last switcher there, and we're almost here at the end. So thank you so much, and more videos to come.